In this guide, you'll learn how to download YouTube videos to view offline. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your YouTube app. Now find the video that you want to download, or also you can search for it. At the top right, you're going to find the search icon. Click on that. Type in the channel name or the video name. After video appears, you'll find 3 dots at the bottom right corner of the video. Click on that. Now, different options will appear. You'll need to select the option download video. Here you're going to find this pop-up. You can select download quality, medium or low. If you have premium version, you can select full HD or high quality. After you select it, click on download. With that, the selected video will be downloaded. Now, you can navigate to the U page. Head over to the section of download. Over here, you will be able to find a video. So this way, you can easily download YouTube videos. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.